Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalit jurib yagi jaka kibla julor na kajing Shilai bagajing tua kendau haga district South Garo Hills. Bat ban kemi ibnia kajing long jingman bat kam tam hakaban ajing erap mardor kipat ba kibla kelalong lanot. Kila don South Tili Gishnong hakilai Tili Blok kibla syakta na kajing den shop kibor kamariang kibla ta ya palat arajar sanspa shpongut kibrio na ki South pa andruku artili kilong giang harilom Garo. Kawai kalong yang keberan nakasnong atisia songmong kalamat ya kajing sosi ya kabanyong wad kidikot juga yang kilaklat no nakajing syatap agak kendau kabalah tuakan san. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau badai bandan gilat jingada nakajing Shilai bat baneda nakajing dono ikajing embrio bat kimar kimata. Ulabatha ya kihak sarkar ban syam kia mardor hakaban maramat iki bentai kebekongsan bat ban pentikna bagi patba ikibasyam lanot kidi baniok mardor kilat jingarap. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula IT ke song pisaj ke bahayeng jongih nyungut ke belaklat no ha atisia songmong bat ule shim bentah ke benbuk jing duai ne ke bentah gilanot jong ne kesnong bat shim bentah ke jingalang ha ka ba ula sngap ya ke jing ut jong ipat ba kamtam kitu ke bala shim lanot.
Today, along with the local MLAs and officials, including our deputy commissioners and BDOs and other officials, we have visited West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We tried to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives, and gave our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them, and we cannot make up for the loss. But as a government, we have done whatever little we could do and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on, and in the process we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them, and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done, and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region.
Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalit jurib ru yakijaka Bashlai bat batwa kendau haga district West Garo Hills. Bari kendo ikilanot ke basa haki relief kam bat ulasam ya kesong jingarap ke pisaj ke bahayeng jeng itu ke belaklat no na ke jing wanan shop ke bor kamariang. Kajing Shilai bat jing tua kendau kala syem hado katnyau teli ke jing embrio haki South Tili district haki ni kendiat sengi ke belalai. Kiladun nyongut beladu ela kejing em ha South Garo Hills, Sangut ha West Garo Hills, Laingut ha East Garo Hills, bat Arngut ha North Garo Hills. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulalit ya kendo iki bahagiang, bat IT ya kene ke song tengka, bat ula jurip iki jaka kebala syak penjular, bat kendo iki nong song kebala syak ta na kejing manan shop kibol kamariang. Ula lumru ikejing yalang bat kibor peniak distrik bat kiwai ban lum jingken ikejing penjular na kejing shlai bat jing tua kendau ha dalu sian RB block bat betha bat ban ajing rap mardor gilanor bat ula betha bat ban penlong ya kejing wat peniak ikiwa bat kijaka ke badan jing ma na kejing shlai bat ban shim ikisin jam manelek ban kiar ya kejing penjular hadian habot.
application type ya nak suni block president mo ya MLA set ni na ang tijang na lekhau